activity remains steady on the shore. It's Friday, September 1st, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. While buyer activity is up, home prices are also up, but inventory remains lower than the 5-year average. There are currently 1,254 for sale on the shore. 183 came to the market since last week. 62 went under contract, 85 moved to pending, 127 sold in 10 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in Ocean City for $3,140,000. Available rentals are few at only 91 for the entire shore, priced at a median $1,750 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 1st, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super Labor Day holiday weekend. See you next week.